Welcome back to another video, YouTube. And today we have an unboxing video. Alright. I definitely already opened it, and because I had to make a TikTok for you guys, you know. But here's a YouTube video for all my YouTube supporters. I really appreciate everyone subscribe to my channel. So right now I have an unboxing for you guys. These are the newest clippers that Babyliss just dropped, and I got a chance to get my hands on them. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the retail. The trimmers retail about like $1.99, I believe, and the clipper itself retails at $2.39 if I'm not mistaken. So about $500 for both, you know. But hey, it's Babyliss, one of my favorite clippers, one of my favorite brands. Probably the only brand that I use, honestly. I don't mind venturing out to other brands, but for right now, Babyliss is my go-to. They can take all my money, okay? Because they do produce quality, and I just, you know, it's something I'm used to. So for the new FX1s, it comes with a battery. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. I know I got a reflection in the case, so I'm gonna take it out, let y'all see what it looks like on the inside. Slick, and it's matte black. Matte black. Nice body. See, it comes with the wireless, well, it comes with a charger for the battery, and then I'm sure under here is the plug and everything. But here's the trimmer. And here's the clipper. Y'all can see it's already, because I already opened it. I had to do the TikTok, so I'm just show y'all, take it out for y'all. Try to cover it. There we go. Matte black. Y'all can see slit body, charger, battery right there. So go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out so y'all can really see what they look like before purchasing. I haven't used it yet, so the next haircut tutorial I post after this probably be a self-cut. If not a self-cut, no matter what video it is, I will be using it so I can show y'all the, so I can show y'all the effectiveness of the clipper. But yeah, arrow. No need to guess with these clippers. Arrow everywhere. You see what I'm saying? Arrow on hit right here. And right there. I see it. And then boom, that's how you charge it. And then obviously a charging port for the charger. And it's in the case. I'll show you. And of course it comes with guards and everything, I'm pretty sure. Yep, come with the whole kit. And that's one thing about Babyliss. No matter what you buy, no matter what clipper it is, y'all, this packaging was so hard. I'm not sure why, but it comes with clippers. I mean, I'm sorry, it comes with guards, oil, tools, keys, everything. Everything's in there, both for the trimmers and the clipper. Well, obviously the trimmer doesn't have guards, but it does come with its own USB charger and oil. So great purchase in my opinion. Honestly, if I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like I said, I have tons of Babyliss. I'm not gonna say tons, but I have quite a few Babyliss clippers. I just bought these because they're newly dropped, you know, a new collection. And I just decided to make a new investment, you know. Not that I really needed it, but I more so bought it because of how it looks. I love Babyliss. I love their design, the slit body. So it's just, you know, when I'm cutting and I'm in the studio, I just like my tools to be as fresh as me. You know what I mean? Like, y'all check this out. I know y'all see that. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. Slit body. Yep. But yeah, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know in the comments if you have them already. Let me put the batteries. The batteries go in at the bottom right here. Batteries go in at the bottom. You click this red button behind it to release the battery. I'm about to show you right now. Like I said, everything is arrow based, so no need to guess. Slide right in there. And then when you click it, Y'all see it has 4 batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it only has 3. Let's see if we can get that to focus. I'm sure y'all can see that. Yeah, anyway, I'm sure y'all can see that. But it's 3 batteries. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the release. As soon as you hit this red button, it pops out. And it don't even slide all the way out. It just releases it, you know, and then you pull it out by itself. Boom. Then sound test. Is ASMR. But nah, definitely W clipper, W purchase. I said I might use these for my house calls. Use these for my house call clippers just because they look so nice. They gonna look nice in the all matte black case. You know, I'm all about how my things look. I'm sorry. I like my tools and everything that I do. When it comes to me, I like everything to look nice. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all already have them, or if these are miss or hit, copper drop. Let me know. I definitely like them. Like I said, Babyliss don't miss. For y'all that want to know, I know I get a lot of comments on my TikTok and whatever, like what clippers do you use, what trimmers do you use? Babyliss. They haven't sponsored me yet, but hopefully we can secure a sponsorship. So I'm not sure. DM them my YouTube, DM them my TikTok, whatever. If you want to help me secure a sponsorship, do that for me. But y'all let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I'm gonna catch up with y'all in the next video. Like I said, in the next tutorial I'm definitely be using these. So y'all stay tuned for that. And make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all check out my tutorials and leave some comments on that too. That's enough yapping, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.